Okay, coming into the boat show. Here we are. We're in Marina del Rey, California. Saturday, June 26th, 2026. It's pretty wide, this one.
Yep. So this is 37.1. It's the French from the
Yeah. Gorgeous. Man. This is interesting. It's a more modern looking type boat, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Not a traditional quote unquote
correct
look on the sailing vessel. Here we have a nice cabin. Hey, yeah. Nice. Let's got some storage. There we go. And then more storage over here. So I'm guessing this will fold down into a
That is correct.
A bed as well.
You change the feet of the table. You put smaller one, and then the lower down. The mattress is the one that is there.
Oh.
And then you have one.
Okay. The galley. I like the galley. It's big.
Yes.
Very big. And it doesn't have that, like a lot of boats.
The L shape. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I kind of like this better. But what do we got here?
The fridge.
Oh yeah, there we go. Keep your stuff cold. I like these kind. They work. Nice stove, oven, and the microwave.
There is no microwave on that boat.
Okay. Alrighty, nice sink. Next.
Here, this is the head and the shower that is in the back.
Just one on the boat? One head?
One head, yeah.
Good.
Less maintenance.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this cabin. Wow. Oh yeah. Nice. Very nice. Some storage. Beautiful. Oh, I see. Those are like fenders. Yeah, that's pretty big. You're right. Look at that. Hello down there.
Interesting.
38. Beautiful.
And our 50, which is only like 2 feet bigger, but it actually has very the bed on the back side here, and the walk-in door space. You actually get even more room. Yeah, it's not much longer. It's only like 2 feet longer, but it's much bigger, much bigger.
Ah, nice swim step. I like it.
Thing gets run back. Oh, it's all
38.
self-packing.
Okay.
The jib's fully self-packing, all that.
Do people put their dinghies back here?
You can.
Yeah.
What I end up doing is I put a set of chocks
Yeah.
so that you can bring it up.
But does this deck, it just stays fixed though? It doesn't
It
move?
stays fixed.
Okay.
On my R40s, it's a hydraulic platform. I
Gotcha.
just sold that one to Doug Stewart here at the club.
Huh. Okay. Well, let's see. What do we got? There's a lot of room outside. I like it.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
And it's got 2 full cabins for sleeping also.
Yeah, let's check that out. So we got a... Oh, that's a cooker? Huh. Nice. So that's a cooking surface.
Yes, it is.
I'll be darned. These are the
Double
refrigerators.
refrigerations.
Yeah. Oh. They really make sure. Okay, I'll trust you on this side. Nice. Very nice. Uh-huh. And then, does this enclose at all?
No.
It does not.
Only
If you had canvas or something.
sunroof turns and
Oh.
closes.
Oh.
But I've also set it up with channels
Uh-huh.
that I can just drop a whole canopy on the back.
I see. Nice. The Volvo Pentas. I like the split bed. I like that.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm hosting, helping to host.
There. Oh man, this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Crawl in.
Stop me by and say hello.
Beautiful.
You have a hot date or something?
You're my hot date.
Look at this. Look at this.
Very nice.
Is it?
Sunroofs are awesome. Very nice boat. How much are you guys asking for this one?
500,000.
Five.
Yeah.
Well, this is the first Ocean Alexandra I've really looked at, so let me go upstairs first. No spill. This is nice. Beautiful. Yeah, it is in good condition. The vinyl looks good. Dinghy's a little tired, but all right, let's get a look at the salon. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah.
Just a date.
Down station.
That's
Lots of
plenty of
electronics
storage.
and clocks.
cedar lined closets.
Nice. Oh boy, that's what I miss the most. That aft cabin bed, man.
Did I lose you?
Oh brother, how nice. Yep. Our old trawler had one of these, and a head, right? Yep, of course. Incredible. Very nice. Look at that. Hey everybody. That's a window, huh?
There's an insert that goes in there. Makes this one really large
Here, the
bed.
place is my gal there.
Plenty of cabinets. Okay, really great woodwork. Like these doors are solid wood doors. This is not veneers.
42 feet, same as mine used to be. Overall 43, 300 gallons of fuel.
They call it wet head.
Nice.
So there is a shower fixture. Regular or not,
Okay,
obviously,
electronics next to me.
But the drain in this floor. So
Typical galley for a nice, lots of room. Gas stove. Almost full-size fridge, microwave.
Yeah, there's a port light on both sides, which are nice size.
They say 2007. 141. Hey, a little sunroof. How about that? Let's check the rear area. Rear cabin. Oops, the door goes in. And we have a, yeah, this one's just a head. Then we come down here. Oh. The aft cabin, not bad. It's got a little vanity here. Let's see. Look at that. Yep. Beautiful. That is handy. Super handy. 3-burner stove. Nice little fridge. Nice.